Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. Today, we will explore the art of renewal to turn vintage finds into profitable modern decor and to create timeless, eco-friendly furniture that sells. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. In a world where fast design and disposable trends dominate, the art of renewal stands as a soulful rebellion, a return to craftsmanship, meaning, and sustainability. Transforming old furniture into modern vintage-style decor has become more than a creative pursuit. It is a lifestyle, a business opportunity, and a cultural movement. The process invites us to look beyond what is worn or outdated and instead see beauty in imperfection, history in scratches, and potential in the discarded. Each transformation is not merely a restoration of wood and form, but a reawakening of purpose, where the old meets the new, and sustainability merges seamlessly with modern elegance. The art of renewing furniture allows creators, collectors, and homeowners alike to become storytellers, curating pieces that carry the soul of the past while fitting effortlessly into contemporary eco-luxury living. The transformation of old furniture into modern vintage-style decor represents a harmony between eras, a dialogue between nostalgia and innovation. In every reclaimed dresser, reimagined coffee table, or reinvented chair, there lies an echo of the craftsmanship of decades past. This movement does not seek perfection but authenticity. It embraces weathered textures, aged finishes, and the quiet charm of materials that have stood the test of time. When an artisan breathes new life into these materials, they are not simply refinishing surfaces, they are preserving heritage. By giving old furniture a new identity through thoughtful design, soft colors, and modern touches, each piece becomes both a statement of sustainability and a celebration of style. Approach proves that eco-luxury decor is not about lavish consumption, but about conscious creation, crafting timeless beauty with a conscience. Modern vintage-style decor captures a special kind of magic. It resonates deeply with today's desire for individuality, authenticity, and environmental mindfulness. In a marketplace crowded with mass-produced furniture, handcrafted renewed pieces stand out as icons of integrity and artistry. They carry a narrative, the story of wood once forgotten, now revived through human creativity. The smooth patina of reclaimed timber, the subtle distressing of paint, or the minimalist integration of old metal accents all add depth and emotion to the final creation. These pieces feel lived-in yet luxurious, rustic yet refined. For the modern homeowner, they offer not just aesthetic appeal but a sense of emotional grounding. The comfort of knowing their decor is both sustainable and soulful. In essence, this art form bridges generations, connecting tradition with modernity through conscious design. Beyond its beauty, the art of furniture renewal also unlocks immense economic potential. What once was considered waste now becomes a profitable avenue for creative entrepreneurs. The demand for upcycled and sustainable home decor has skyrocketed as consumers grow increasingly aware of their environmental impact and yearn for products that tell meaningful stories. Small workshops, artisans, and woodcraft enthusiasts are turning old doors, tables, and cabinets into high-demand designer pieces that rival luxury brands in quality and charm. With low material costs, high customization potential, and the ability to cater to both eco-conscious and style-driven markets, this movement offers remarkable business opportunities. A single renewed piece, designed with intention and care, can command impressive prices while simultaneously reducing waste and promoting sustainability. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. What makes this entrepreneurial path even more appealing is that it combines creativity with conscience. Each project becomes a step toward redefining the value of design, proving that sustainability and profit are not opposites, but partners. The rise of eco-luxury decor has reshaped consumer expectations, where quality and ethics coexist beautifully. People are no longer satisfied with fleeting trends or artificial perfection. They seek connection, texture, and authenticity in the pieces that fill their homes. The renewed furniture movement answers this call, offering handmade alternatives that reflect the spirit of nature and the craftsmanship of human hands. Whether it's a reimagined dining set crafted from reclaimed oak or a chic vintage vanity made from an antique dresser, every piece carries its own personality, a reflection of the maker's vision and the material's journey. This transformation also nurtures mindfulness and artistry in the modern maker. To work with reclaimed materials is to develop patience, creativity, and respect for imperfection. The process encourages slowing down, listening to the wood, and allowing design decisions to emerge organically. Every groove, knot, or weathered edge becomes a part of the story, not a flaw to be erased. This mindset turns furniture making into a meditative practice, where the goal is not merely to produce something beautiful, but to preserve the spirit of sustainability. It reminds us that renewal is both an external act, giving new life to materials, and an internal one, reconnecting with purpose, creativity, and care for the planet. Modern homes have embraced this movement not just for its sustainability, but for its emotional warmth. Amid sleek glass and steel interiors, vintage-inspired furniture introduces soul and texture. The juxtaposition of old and new elements creates visual harmony, a dance of contrasts that defines today's sophisticated interiors. Reclaimed wood, aged finishes, and modern silhouettes merge to form a design language that feels both timeless and relevant. These pieces ground a space, bringing in a sense of comfort and authenticity that no factory-made object can replicate. They serve as reminders of endurance, of how something once forgotten can be reborn into a centerpiece of modern elegance. Moreover, this movement has the power to influence the future of design itself. As society leans towards sustainability, designers, architects, and artisans are rethinking materials, processes, and aesthetics. Reclaimed and redesigned furniture aligns perfectly with this shift, proving that eco-conscious choices can also be luxurious, profitable, and innovative. It reflects a broader vision where creativity supports both environmental preservation and economic empowerment. For every old piece revived, a new narrative begins, one that values restoration over replacement and craftsmanship over convenience. The art of renewal, therefore, is not just a design trend, but a philosophy for a better future, a call to build with intention, beauty, and balance. At its heart, this creative process represents transformation in its purest form. It teaches us that nothing is truly obsolete. Every material, like every person, holds potential waiting to be uncovered. In turning old furniture into modern eco-art, makers participate in a cycle of respect for nature, for history, and for their craft. The journey from aged to elegant, from forgotten to fashionable, mirrors our collective desire to live more meaningfully and sustainably. Each piece becomes a tangible reminder that renewal is possible, that through creativity and care, we can turn what once was discarded into something desirable, profitable, and enduring. In the end, the art of renewal is not simply about furniture. It's about reimagining our relationship with design, with nature, and with time itself. It stands at the intersection of beauty, sustainability, and entrepreneurship, a space where creators breathe life into forgotten forms and shape the future of modern living. What emerges is more than decor. It is a legacy of mindful making, one that redefines luxury not by opulence, but by purpose. This is the future of design, eco-luxury that sustains the planet, honors the past, and inspires generations of creators to see that within the old lies infinite potential to build something new, beautiful, and profoundly human. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked modern vintage decor ideas, turning old wood into high-profit sustainable designs. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.